Everyone, my name is Randolph Madilo, and this is my reflection for chapter 2, Unpacking the Self. In this chapter, I learned that understanding our body is an important part of knowing ourselves. And one interesting topic is erogenous zones. These are parts of our body that are sensitive and can produce feelings of pleasure when touched or stimulated. Reflecting on this, I realized that learning about erogenous zones is not just about sexuality. It's also about self-awareness, respect, and boundaries. Knowing how our body responds helps us understand our emotions. And it is also teaches us the importance of consent and mutual respect in relationships. For me, this topic helped me remove the stigma around talking about the body. It reminded me that understanding ourselves physically is part of being healthy mentally, emotionally, and socially. Thank you.